Have we ever found ourselves wondering where the hours in our day went? Or why we're always so busy but not productive? Well, we're not alone. The truth is, time-wasting habits can creep into our lives without even us realizing it. Therefore, in this section, we're breaking down the most common time wasters and exploring how we can overcome them together. Let's get started. Work and productivity drains. First up, let's talk about work-related time wasters. These are the things we often overlook but can drain hours of productivity. Constantly checking emails. If we're glued to our inbox, we not focus on really matters. Instead, let's set specific times during the day to check and respond the emails. Unnecessary meetings. Meetings can be productivity killers. Let's ask ourselves, does this meeting really need to happen? Or can it be an email or a quick chat? Having no time boundaries. Without clear start and end times of our works, tasks can bleed into our personal lives. We should create a schedule and stick to it. Multitasking. It might feel productive, but research shows it actually reduces efficiency. Let's focus on one task at a time and watch our output improved. Personal blocks. Next, let's move to the personal habits that waste time. Fear of failure or making mistakes can paralyze us. Let's take small steps to push through and build confidence. Indecisiveness. Spending too much time on our minor decisions can add up. Let's learn to trust our instincts and move forward. Deciding on trivial tasks. We need to stop sweating the smaller stuff. Automating or delegating can possibly help us to save the time. Distractions, whether it's social media or interruptions, let's identify our distractions and minimize them. Using tools like focus apps or noise-canceling headphones can help us stay on track. There are many ineffective habits. Now let's talk about habits that might seem harmless but actually waste a ton of time, such as inability to say no. Saying yes to everything spreads us too thin. Let's learn to prioritize what aligns with our goals. Having no system or no action plan. Without a clear roadmap, it's easy to get lost. Let's use a planner, calendar, or task management app to stay organized. Disorganization. A cluttered workplace equals a cluttered mind. Let's spend a few minutes each day to tidy up. Using tools inefficiently. Technology is meant to help us, not hinder us. Let's take time to learn the tools which we use regularly. Doing something ineffectively. If we are stuck in a repetitive task, we should look for a way to streamline it. Doing everything ourselves. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Let's delegate the task whenever possible. There can be mental and emotional struggles also. Some time wasters are mental and emotional. This can be sneaky, but they have a big impact on our productivity, such as comparing ourselves to others. Let's focus on our own progress rather than comparing with others. Trying to please everyone. It's impossible to make everyone happy. Let's prioritize what matters to us. Aiming for perfection. Perfectionism can lead to procrastination also. Sometimes good enough is truly good enough. Touching things twice. Let's avoid reopening tasks which we have already worked on. Finishing them in one go when possible can save us a lot of time. False starts. Starting a small is okay, but let's commit to our plans. Stop planning endlessly without taking any actions. Repetition pitfalls. Let's address repetition, one of the sneakiest time wasters. Repeating the same tasks. Are we stuck in a cycle of busy work? Let's look for ways to automate and simplify. Repeating the same mistakes. We need to learn from failures and move on. Journaling or reflecting can help us identify patterns. Continuing to something that is no longer beneficial. If something isn't working, we shouldn't be afraid to let it go. Digital and entertainment distractions. Technology is a double-edged sword. Here is how it can waste our time. constantly checking stats, whether it's a social media analytics or app performance, obsessed over the numbers is counterproductive. Spending too much time on entertainment such as Netflix, YouTube, and gaming, which are fun, but they quickly consume hours. Let's set limit to keep them in check. Lifestyle habits. Our lifestyle also plays a big role in how effectively we use our time. Poor health habits, skipping exercises, or eating poorly can drain our energy. Let's take care of our bodies for better focus. Neglecting rest. Sleep is essential for productivity. We should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep for a night. Ineffective learning. When learning new skills, let's focus on methods that suit our style. We shouldn't waste time on ineffective techniques. Implementing new systems. Constantly switching tools or methods can disrupt progress. Let's stick to what works. Mindset challenges. Finally, let's talk about our mindset. Holding on to the past. Dwelling on the past mistakes or missed opportunities waste valuable energy. Let's focus on the present and future. Lack of motivation. If we are feeling stuck, we should revisit our goals and remind ourselves why they matter. Not having a goal. Without clear goals, we feel aimless. Let's take time to set SMART goals which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.